In this video, we are going to do some more customizations to the report, and for that we will use the sample company file that QuickBooks has provided in the test drive mode. So we won't be using our project for that because we have the limited data for our project. What we will do is open the test drive mode where a sample company is given by QuickBooks Online. So just copy and paste this link. You can get it in the resources section of this video. Just open the incognito window. I'll just make it full screen. I'll just paste it here, enter it. I'll just make it full screen now. And it will ask you for simple security verifications. I'm not a robot. And we need to check a couple of boxes here. Continue. And this will land us to this screen where we have the sample company of Craig's Design and Landscaping Services with much more data than we earlier had in our project. So let's explore one of the reports and see some more customizations to it. Just click on reports from here and click on standard reports. And let's access the profit and loss account. And here we have the report from 1st of January till 18th of May, right? But if we want to see the month by month details, we can do that as well. So display columns by, it says total only, but we can see the daily profit and loss, weekly, monthly, however we want. We can also customize it for years if we have much more data. So we will change it for months and click on run report again. And we can see we have the profit and loss here for each particular month along with the expenses and overall profit for each particular month. So it is very easy for us to analyze the overall company position in this way. And it will also help you analyze the overall performance and where we are performing well and where not. So let's say for landscaping services, it grows from 190 to 90. So for example, for landscaping services, we had the sales of 190 and then it fell down to 90 and then it again is back up to 475. So maybe in that particular month where the sales is slow, we might need more marketing or some aggressive focus to gain customers and maintain the sales. So it will help you much more in analyzing the different situations. And it will also help you analyze whether all the expenses are distributed evenly. For example, if you, let's say, pay the rent for the premises on every quarter, but it should be recorded in every particular month, and you will use a prepayment concept here that once you make the payment for the complete quarter, you haven't consumed the benefit yet. So we record it not as an expense, but a prepaid expenses, which is a current asset. And after that, every month end, you will just pass the entry of rent debit and prepaid expenses credit so that it can evenly distribute there. But if we extract the month by month report, you can analyze these kind of situations that we have the 900 charge on April and no other expenses charged in any of the month. So we can manage the business better by analyzing these things. Moreover, you can also change the report name and some other customizations. For example, if we want to change the company name, you can edit it from here where we see this pencil icon. And also we can just click on this profit and loss account. And let's say by latest standards, now the profit and loss statement name is changed to statement of comprehensive income. So we can make it as statement of comprehensive income. Hit enter or click anywhere outside. We can also change the company name. For example, the company short form is CDLS. I'll make it that and click anywhere in the corner. And we can also add some kind of notes if we want to. We have the add notes option. For example, to be discussed with the manager, to be discussed with management, let's say. Hit enter and we can add more up to 4,000 characters here. And furthermore, you can see that in every particular section where it has some categories like job materials, and under the job materials we have 3 categories. Let's say that I want to see a summary of this profit and loss account where I just don't want the details of each particular category rather I want the totals to appear. So this is how you can expand and collapse any particular section. But if we want to do for all these sections, what we can do is just click on collapse once and it will collapse all the areas for you like this. As you can see, whenever we want to expand any particular section, we can just manually expand it and collapse it like this. And also we can save these customizations if we want. For example, we have compiled a profit and loss and adjusted it according to ourselves. We have changed the company name, we have changed the title, we have changed it to month by month profit and loss. And for example, we have changed the accounting method from accrual to cash. Basically, cash method is that income is considered when you actually receive the cash. So let's say even if you have made a credit sale of 100,000, it won't consider it as a sale until you receive a particular portion. So let's say you have only received 20,000. So cash method will only record that here. So let's say that you have made all the customizations and after that you don't want to do this again. So what we can do is just click on save this customization and we can name this customized report anything we want, and we can add it to a specific group if you want to. For example, financial analysis, or add new group. Let's say that the name is financial custom reports, and we can share it with someone. If we have some members added in the QuickBooks Online profile, we can share it with them. Otherwise, we can click on, let's say, share it with all, click save. Now, if we want to access this, okay, we can't share this. So I'll just save it to none, click on save, and the custom report is saved successfully. Now, if I want to access this, I'll just go to the report section here, click on the standard reports, or maybe we need to click on the custom reports. So click on the custom reports here. We can switch between the sections even if you're in the standard reports. A special section is there with custom reports, and here is our report. If you want to email that on a specific date, you can do that as well to a specific email. We have this functions. We can export it as a PDF, we can export it as Excel, we can add the management reports, and we can delete this report whenever we want. If you want to make some of the editing, we can edit it from here. And that's how you can make some more customizations in QuickBooks Online. Just try this by yourself, and I'll see you in the next one.